Hey, it's chest day. Make sure you stick around because I got 4 amazing chest exercises for you using only resistance bands. Let's go. What's up guys? Coach Scott here with Zero Limits, and today I'm going to be arming you with my top 4 chest exercises that are going to get you ready for International Chest Day. Now with some of these exercises, you are going to have to anchor your resistance bands. Now you can do this in one of 3 ways. The first way are with permanent wall anchors if you don't mind putting a few holes in your wall. The second is with a door anchor. And the last way to anchor your resistance bands is just to wrap it around a pole or a sturdy beam. If you do not have anchors or resistance bands yet, please go down to the description below. I have links to the equipment that I would recommend to you. Or you can go to my website, zerolimitshf.com. You can buy the resistance bands and anchors from there. Also, in the description below, you can find more links to all my other top resistance band exercises for beginners. And if there are any other exercise videos that you would like to see me make based on different type of equipment or different muscle groups, please put them in the comments below. And finally, be sure to stick around to the end of the video, as I will be giving you a bonus exercise specifically for your core. Now, as always, before we get into the exercises, let's talk about the muscles that make up our chest. So there are 2 muscles that make up our chest, the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. So first, let's start with the pec major. There are actually 2 parts to your pec major, the lower half and the upper half. Now the lower half makes up 80% of the pec major, and it is a sternocostal. So what that means is that it connects from your sternum to your humerus, and it causes arm adduction. Now the upper part of your pec major is the clavicular. It connects to the clavicle and the humerus. This also creates arm adduction, but aids your shoulder in shoulder flexion and internal rotation. Now the pec minor we can't actually see because it lies underneath the pec major. It is connected from your ribs to your scapula, and its primary duty is to aid in scapular stabilization. If you found this info informative, don't forget to drop a like below. All right guys, let's get to it. My top 4 chest exercises using resistance bands for beginners. Now, if we're gonna start any chest day, we have to start a chest day with a push-up. So our first exercise is gonna be the band resisted push-up. Place each end of the band in your hands and place the band around your upper back or scapula. With the bands in your hands, get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. This is the up position. Keeping your back in a neutral position, slowly lower your body until your elbows are at 90 degrees. Squeezing your chest, push yourself back up into the starting position. What's up guys? I'm sure you hear my bird friend in the background, but I had to shoot outside because today is a perfect day. Just like that first exercise was a perfect way to start our chest day. Now our second exercise is going to be the standing incline press. While in a staggered stance, place the middle of the band under your back foot. Grab both ends of the band with both hands and then have them close to your chest with your elbows bent at 90 degrees. Press the band up at a 45-degree angle out and over your head. Slowly return back to the starting position. All right guys, 2 exercises down, 2 more to go. Now these next 2, you're gonna have to use your anchors. So remember to anchor your bands at chest height. Now our third exercise is gonna be the single arm chest press. Anchor your resistance band to chest height, grab the band with your right hand and stand in a staggered stance with your left foot forward. Start with the band next to your chest and your elbow bent at 90 degrees. Press the band straight out until you have full extension and slowly release back to the starting position. Once you have finished your desired reps on your right, switch arms and foot placement and begin on your left. All right, guys, here we are, our final exercise of the day. So our final exercise is gonna be the single arm chest fly. Anchor your resistance band to chest height and stand parallel to the band. Grab the band with the hand closest to the band. Raise your arm with a slight bend in your elbow parallel to the floor and sidestep away from the band until you have slight tension. While squeezing your chest, rotate the band from your shoulder toward the middle of your body. Slowly release back to the starting position. Once you have completed all reps on the right side, switch over and do your left side. So there you have it, my top 4 chest exercises for beginners with resistance bands. If you've liked those exercises, please hit the like button below. If you want links to all my other top resistance band exercises for beginners, those links are down in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the alert button. That way you know when I come out with the next resistance band video, because I will be starting intermediate and advanced exercises. All right, guys, here we are with the bonus core exercise. Now this one is called the Cyclone. This is a great exercise for beginners. It works your obliques, it works your rectus abdominis. It also works rotation, anti-rotation, and isometric hold of the abs. Now the way we get started is you must anchor your band. Grab the band with both hands. And you want to step back until you got tension on the band. Have your arms fully extended, and during the entire process, your arms are gonna stay fully extended. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is rotation. So we're gonna rotate the band to the left, and then slowly bring it back to the center. This is your anti-rotation. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the right. Rotation, anti-rotation, slowly to the center. Rotation, anti-rotation. Now the trick to this is you want to brace your core. When someone says brace your core, you want to pretend like someone is about to punch you in the gut and you're bracing your abs to take that punch. So during this entire exercise, the key is to brace your core and keep your arms locked out. So here's what it's going to look like in full speed. Rotation, slow back anti-rotation. Rotation, slow back anti-rotation. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus core exercise. As always, thank you for watching my channel and helping support my channel. I hope you have a great day.